You drink it every morning. It wakes you up, powers your day, and gives you that much-needed jolt. But what if I told you your daily cup of coffee could also make your skin look 10 years younger? And no, we're not talking about fancy creams or expensive serums. We're talking about adding just one powerful ingredient to your coffee, and letting nature do the rest. This one simple upgrade could help reduce wrinkles, boost skin elasticity, and hydrate your skin from the inside out, especially if you're over 40. Let's get into it. Before we reveal the mystery ingredient, let's understand what's happening beneath your skin. As we age, our collagen production drops. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin smooth, firm, and elastic. By your 40s and 50s, you're producing less than half the collagen you had in your youth. Result: wrinkles, sagging skin, dryness, and that tired look in the mirror. And while skincare products help on the surface, real change starts from within. That's why what you put in your coffee mug matters more than what you put on your face. So, what should you add to your coffee every morning? Collagen peptides. This tasteless, odorless powder dissolves easily in hot liquids and goes straight to work inside your body. Collagen peptides are broken down forms of collagen that are easier to absorb. Once ingested, they trigger your body's natural repair process, rebuilding collagen in your skin, joints, and connective tissues. And coffee is the perfect delivery method. The heat helps the peptides dissolve quickly, and the caffeine improves absorption by stimulating circulation. Here's what studies have shown. One study found that women who took collagen peptides daily for 8 weeks saw a 20% reduction in wrinkles and improved skin hydration. Another found increased skin elasticity and smoothness, even in postmenopausal women. Some users even noticed stronger nails and shinier hair as a side benefit. It's not magic, it's biology. Your skin responds when it's given the raw materials it needs to rebuild. Now you might be wondering, can I just take collagen pills? Sure, but here's the problem. Many pills have fillers or binders. They're harder to digest, especially if you take them on an empty stomach. And worst of all, they don't feel like a habit. But adding a scoop of collagen to your morning coffee? That's easy. It becomes part of your routine. And, consistency is everything. No forgetting, no skipping, just one scoop every morning with your coffee. You might have heard that coffee causes dry skin or inflammation. And yes, too much caffeine, especially when loaded with sugar and creamers, can dehydrate you or trigger breakouts in sensitive individuals. But moderate black coffee or coffee with healthy add-ins like collagen or cinnamon actually offers antioxidant benefits. Coffee contains polyphenols that fight free radicals, those unstable molecules that age your skin. So, no, you don't need to quit coffee, you just need to upgrade it. Want to take it to the next level? Here are a few bonus add-ins you can combine with collagen to supercharge your coffee. Ceylon cinnamon. It fights inflammation, balances blood sugar, and gives your coffee a delicious twist. MCT oil or coconut oil. These provide healthy fats that support hormone balance and glowing skin. Plant-based milk with vitamin D helps collagen function better by supporting skin cell renewal. And well, hyaluronic acid powder, as long as it's food grade, can help retain skin moisture, which is especially helpful in dry climates or during the winter. But remember, collagen is really the foundation here. The rest, are just bonuses. You may be thinking, how fast will this work? Well, here's the good news. Most people notice improved skin hydration and texture within 2 to 4 weeks. And those deeper changes, like firmness and wrinkle reduction, usually show up around 6 to 8 weeks. And the longer you stick with it, the more cumulative the benefits become. It's not an overnight fix, but it's powerful and sustainable. Especially when you pair it with a healthy diet, good hydration, and enough sleep. So, not all collagen powders are equal. Here's what to look for. Hydrolyzed peptides, since these are broken down for better absorption. Type 1 and Type 3 collagen are the most important for your skin, hair, and nails. And definitely no added sugars or fillers. You really don't want chemicals in your coffee. Grass-fed or marine-sourced options are best, for higher purity and sustainability. Some popular brands include Vital Proteins, Great Lakes, and Ancient Nutrition. But always check the label for third-party testing. Collagen is generally safe for most people, but if you have allergies to beef, fish, or eggs, be sure to check the source. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor. So, just a heads up, some people do report mild bloating in the first few days, but honestly, this usually goes away. And hey, while collagen definitely supports your skin, it's not a cure-all. You still need to eat well, stay hydrated, and, protect your skin from the sun. Here's the big shift. You really don't need a 12-step skincare routine when you can nourish your skin from within, starting with what's in your mug. Creams and serums are great, but honestly, if you're not feeding your body the right ingredients internally, you're kind of missing the bigger picture. Collagen in your coffee gives your skin fuel for repair every single day. After just a few weeks of this coffee upgrade, you may notice plumper, smoother skin, a reduced appearance of fine lines, and, honestly, less dryness or flaking. Healthier hair and nails, and yes, more energy and focus from your upgraded morning brew. Some folks even report better digestion and fewer sugar cravings. Why is that? Well, it's because collagen helps stabilize blood sugar and gut health too. Here's a simple recipe to start tomorrow. Brew 1 cup of black coffee, add 1 scoop of unflavored collagen peptides, and if you'd like, toss in half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of MCT oil. So just blend or stir until it's nice and smooth, drink while it's still warm, and really enjoy every sip. If you want to wake up with younger looking skin, if you want a skincare routine that starts before you even get dressed, and honestly, if you want something simple, realistic, and proven, then this one habit might change everything. Just add collagen to your coffee, every morning, for 30 days. Watch what happens. And hey, thank yourself later. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who needs a glow up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple wellness tips that actually work. And in the comments, let us know. Have you tried collagen in your coffee yet? What results did you see? We'd really love to hear your story.